Assalamu alaikum, this is Maz from Insuremart.pk. We're on Insuremart right now, which is a self-service platform offering multiple products including car insurance, bike insurance, health insurance, travel insurance and personal accident insurance. So I can click on per travel to purchase travel insurance, or I can go to this icon and go use this shortcut to navigate to the travel page. If you're ever at the airport and you forgot your insurance, you can just go to Insuremart.pk and purchase your travel insurance in a matter of minutes. So let's click on purchase now. Passenger type, so it can either be individual, or you're traveling with family, or you're traveling as a student. Abhi ke liye I'm traveling as an individual, so I'm going to click on next. I'm going to select my trip type, which can either be single or multiple. So an important distinction to make is कि single trip के अंदर आपकी multiple destinations हो सकती हैं. मल्टी ट्रिप के अंदर आपको बैक एंड फोर्थ जाना अलाउड होता है. फॉर इंस्टेंस इफ़ आई एम ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान टू यूएसए टू कैनेडा टू यूरोप, दिस वुड ऑल बी कंसिडर्ड अ सिंगल ट्रिप. बट इफ़ आई एम ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान टू यूएसए एंड देन बैक टू पाकिस्तान एंड देन यूएसए अगेन, तो वो मल्टी ट्रिप में कंसिडर होता है. सो आई जस्ट थॉट दिस वुड बी इम्पॉर्टेंट टू पॉइंट आउट. So I'm going to put in my date of birth, which is 9th of May 2000. Destinations के अंदर we have multiple destinations available worldwide including USA and Canada, Shenzhen, domestic, Hajj Umrah ज़ियारत. अभी के लिए I'm going to select this. So start date, let's say I'm traveling tomorrow, 12th of May 2026. Travel duration would be up to 2 weeks. For an example, I'm going to click on next. And it's going to ask me for some information to get started. I'm going to put my name and I'm going to put my email address. And then I'm going to put my phone number. Click on continue. So मेरी सर्च के अगेंस्ट इसने ये मल्टीपल रिजल्ट्स फाइंड किए हैं जिसमें 18 पॉलिसीज़ आती हैं. From Jubilee, Atlas, TPL, Habib Insurance and Asia Insurance. Let's say I'm interested in Habib and I want to compare it with Jubilee Insurance. I'm just going to click on the compare button and compare my quotes. It's going to show me the price and all the coverages that are included in these plans. So let's assume that I can just go back and compare some more, and let's say I like this plan and I want to purchase this. I'm going to click on buy now and I'm going to input my mother name, my occupation, let's say I'm an engineer, my purpose of visit is tourism, my passport number is this, my province is Punjab, and my address is Lahore. So my departure country is Pakistan by default. My city is of course Lahore. And final destination. So it says that you may select multiple destinations, multiple countries in case you are traveling to multiple destinations. So I can just click and search United States of America, and I want to go to Bolivia as well, और any other country मैं यहाँ से select कर सकता हूँ. और हर इंश्योरर के केस में हर प्लान के अगेंस्ट आपको डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस भी मिल सकता है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पर कुछ केसेस में वर्ल्ड वाइड सेलेक्ट करना होगा, तो यहाँ पे आपको इंस्ट्रक्शंस उसी पेज पर मिल जाएंगी. I'm going to click on next. So it's asking me for some beneficiary details. So beneficiary basically is somebody you trust to coordinate with the insurance company in your absence. अल्लाह ना करे अगर emergency हो जाती है तो आपका beneficiary is the person they contact and they can coordinate with the insurance company. So make sure you put down somebody you actually trust. I'm going to put in the details now. Address, and click on next. So now it's asking me to verify my identity. let's start the identity verification process. There are basically two ways to verify your identity. You can either do it through a desktop or a mobile phone. So let's click on start identification. अगर आप अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन से वेरीफाई करना चाहते हैं अपने आप को, तो आपने सिर्फ कैमरा खोलना है अपना और ये बारकोड स्कैन करना है. इट्स गोना टेक यू टू अ वेबसाइट जहाँ पे आप अपना आईडी कार्ड स्कैन करेंगे और फेशियल बायोमेट्रिक स्कैन करेंगे. सो वी एक्चुअली रिकमेंड कि आप फ़ोन से ट्राई करें, बट अभी के लिए आई एम गोना शो यू हाउ टू डू इट ऑन अ डेस्कटॉप. एंड जस्ट मेक श्योर यू हैव क्लियर लाइटिंग and that you are sitting somewhere comfortable. So I'm gonna scan my card. Hold still. And the front side of the document has been scanned. Let's scan the back. Let's make sure that the document is in the box. Okay, so document scan हो गया और it's gonna ask me for a selfie now. Let's do that. And done. That's how easy it is with Insuremart. I'm gonna click on continue. So इसने ये सारी information मेरे ID card से extract किया है और input किया है. So it's giving me a chance to make sure कि वो सारी information correct है. और if I want to change my address as well. So ये address उसने उर्दू में extract किया है. There can be mistakes. यहाँ instructions भी लिखी हुई हैं. You can edit this and input this in English if you want. Click on next. So it's giving me a chance to review all my information that I put in for right now, and I can also click on edit now. So let's click on next. Let's say this is correct. Okay, so it's asking me, are you a PEP? So basically PEP is somebody who is very close to or are themselves a politically exposed person. For instance, कोई MNA है, कोई judge है, anybody who is politically very exposed, तो उनको हम PEP consider करते हैं. So you have to select no here and non-filer, obviously tax non-filers. So you just click on the checkbox and then click on pay now. It's redirecting me to pay fast, and I'm gonna make my payment through pay fast. Click on mobile wallet. I'm gonna use easy paisa. So put in my number and pay. Okay, so I'm gonna click on continue now, and I'm gonna approve the transaction. Pay now, and let's wait for the transaction to go through, and it's complete now. It's very easy, very quick. Let's wait for the screen to redirect. So now my document is being generated in the background, और ये इस आइकन का मतलब है कि डॉक्यूमेंट अब जनरेट होके मुझे ईमेल पर भी आ जाएगा और मुझे यहाँ अपने अकाउंट में भी शो हो जाएगा. So here it is, all done. I can just click on download document and save. Let's give it a 5-star because it was very easy. Okay, so let me just show you how my document comes in. Okay, so this is the document released by Jubilee containing all of my information that I just put in through Insuremart. And I can also show you my inbox जहाँ पे मुझे multiple emails आई हैं, including my payment receipt and my document being generated from Insuremart as well as from Jubilee with an attachment, जहाँ पे मेरा पॉलिसी डॉक्यूमेंट ऑलरेडी उन्होंने अटैच करके सेंड किया हुआ मुझे जुबली ने, और इंश्योरमार्ट से भी ईमेल आई है. एंड सो दिस इज़ हाउ इजी इट इज़ टू मेक अ परचेज विद इंश्योरमार्ट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. बी श्योर टू यूज़ इट. दिस इज़ समथिंग revolutionary in Pakistan. All digital, just a matter of minutes, and you can make your insurance purchase online. Thank you.